प्लस सेट भी हो सकता है।
हम लोग भी लड़ाई करेंगे।
तुम लोग का डैमेज नहीं होगा तो खेती बाड़ी को डैमेज नहीं होगा तो
जब से हम लोग कंपनी आ जाएगा तो लड़ाई तो शुरू करेगा। हंगामा तो होगा ही जरूर, लड़ाई तो करेगा। सब हथियार हम लोग भी रेडी करके रखता है। हम लोग तीर से मारेगा जरूर, दाऊ से दाऊ चलाएगा।
Along with the river mist, there is anger rising among the people of Komkar, a small village in Upper Siang district in eastern Arunachal Pradesh. There is growing resentment against the proposed big dams on Siang River in this Himalayan region. These majestic views will change forever once the mega dam projects start, and once completed, River Siang or Mother Siang or Ane Siang to villages will stop flowing freely. On September 26, 2017, Niti Aayog proposed to scale up one of the three proposed mega dam projects on Siang River from 3,750 megawatt to 10,000 megawatt. If one goes by agreements signed by Arunachal Pradesh government since 2007, 36 big and small dams are planned on River Siang. These dams, once built, could provide a revenue of 2,400 crore rupees annually, says the Arunachal Pradesh government. They also claim that the project will attract an investment of 80,000 crore rupees. The government has promised to use rupees 200 crore per annum out of this for local area development. Promise of employment and creation of new economic opportunities are being shown to garner support among the public. But majority of the residents of Komkar and other villages along the Siang are not happy. They do not want big dams. Therefore, news of Niti Aayog scaling up the project has angered residents.
I'm standing next to the site where the largest hydropower dam in India is likely to be built. This is the site for the 10,000 megawatt Upper Siang Stage 2 project, and I am about 4 kilometers away from the first village that is likely to be impacted, called Komkar.
Anupam Chakravarti and Dhrubajyoti Datta are the first journalists to visit the area to bring out the story for the world to see.
एक वर्ष टाइम है मीडिया, आज तक कोई मीडिया नहीं है। हम लोग को मीडिया सही है लेकिन नहीं आ रहा है।
मीडिया आया है, हम लोग बहुत अच्छा है, तो हम लोग मीडिया ही सही है।
हमारे यहाँ 300 घर है और पॉपुलेशन 14,000 है। तो उसमें हमारे यहाँ जो पानी आएंगे, डैम बनाएंगे, हम लोग घर भी नहीं रहेंगे, कुछ भी नहीं रहेंगे, और तो हम लोग कोई ऑल्टरनेट नहीं है और हम लोग कंपेंसेशन भी नहीं चाहिए।
Like him, many villagers of Komkar fear that the dam will wipe out their village as it falls first in the line of the dam. There are altogether 25 villages and their homesteads along the path of the river.
क्लियरली हम लोग देख सक रहे हैं कि पब्लिक लोग इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, पब्लिक लोग ओपोज कर रहे हैं। वी कैन सी इट क्लियरली। इतना सारा हम लोग का जो ये लाइफ इस पे डिपेंड है सियांग रिवर पे, इसको इन लोग डैमेज करके हम लोग को डेवलपमेंट देगा, तो वो चीज़ हम लोग को नहीं चाहिए।
फ्यूचर जनरेशन है हम लोग, ये यंग यूथ्स लोग, हम लोग का वो सियांग में आपका लेफ्ट बैंक राइट बैंक सब जितना है हम लोग का आदि ये ट्राइब प्योरली अगेंस्ट है। अब यहाँ कुछ भी नहीं बना पाएगा और गवर्नमेंट जो भी बनेगा बोलने से भी हम लोग उसमें आपका प्लस सेट भी हो सकता है।
For farmers, River Siang is the lifeline. The water from it and even the mist helps them grow their produce. This is one of the most productive agricultural regions in the state.
वो के मदद से हमको उसको वाटरिंग करना नहीं पड़ता है, उसको पानी देना नहीं पड़ता है उसको, क्योंकि कभी कभी ऐसा भी हो जाता है पानी कम हो जाता है तो हमारे ये चैनल जो इरिगेशन जो है कभी कभी ब्लॉक हो जाते हैं, तो उसका ब्लॉक होने के बाद थोड़ा गैप में पानी होना बहुत जरूरी होता है, तो उस जरूरत पानी को के मदद से हम पानी आराम से खेती कर सकते हैं।
So this mist may probably, I have read some place but I can't just look at the reference right now, maybe helps the stomata to keep open for a longer period without them being able to lose water through it via transpiration. So maybe since it's open till for a longer period of time, the productivity also goes up. So maybe that may be one of the reasons. So for that, for the faith which they have or the myth which they have, I wouldn't call it a myth. It's something they have learned from tradition. So this is maybe the science behind what they are talking about.
The dam threat brought the farmers together to form the Siang Indigenous Farmers Forum. Together, they started a movement to oppose the projects. Most of them were in the dark about the extent of the project.
ये तो होना इम्पॉसिबल क्योंकि एल्टीट्यूड बहुत हाई है, वहाँ तक तो उठना इम्पॉसिबल है। अगर सियांग फ्लड भी आएगा तो नीचे तरफ भी जाएगा, यंग तक आना तो मुश्किल है।
Through an RTI, they discovered that the district headquarters of Upper Siang would go 100 feet underwater post the dam. Yingkiong, Komkar, and surrounding areas would also go under.
Government of Arunachal Pradesh has proposed and allotted to construct a mega dam. On seeing this through RTI, we form a farmers forum named as Siang Indigenous Farmers Forum in order to oppose this Siang mega dam. Government of Arunachal Pradesh, Niti Aayog and NEPCO has recently proposed to construct mega dam of 10,000 at Geku. By constructing this huge mega dam, entire villages and the areas of Upper Siang district will be submerged. This Yingkiong town will come under 100 meters water. In spite of our repeated submission of a memorandum to the state government and the concerned department, they have failed. So we have knocked the door of the High Court by filing this PIL in order to help us.
Fearing destruction from dams to both upstream as well as downstream areas, Siang Indigenous Farmers Forum filed a case in the Naharlagun bench of the Guwahati High Court against Arunachal government and dam developers. They have also demanded a CBI probe alleging that money was paid upfront to clear the proposed hydropower projects.
ये बस्ती वाला अभी तो घूम रहा है, मतलब उन लोग को अभी कुछ अवेयरनेस नहीं है। कोई एमएलए आके बोलेगा डैम नहीं होगा तो वो बात सुन के उन लोग मान लेता है। उस दिन भी 9 जनवरी को भी सीएम आके यहाँ स्पीच में दिया है कि हम अभी से मतलब ये डैम को बनाने नहीं देंगे। वो मुख से बोलता है, लेकिन वो बोलने से कहाँ होगा। अगर उन्होंने पैसा लिया है, लेने के बाद सुना है नेपको वाला ने हाई कोर्ट में केस दिया है, तो केस विथड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा नेपको वाला, तभी तो नहीं बनेगा। वो पैसा रिटर्न नहीं करेगा, वो केस चलते रहेगा। लास्ट में जाके हाई कोर्ट का वर्डिक्ट अगर नेपको का पेपर में जाएगा तो कंस्ट्रक्शन तो होना ही है। बन कराएगा, करने नहीं देगा, बोलना यही एक र्यूमर है। हमको तो लगता है यही एक र्यूमर है, उन लोग र्यूमर पिला रहा है, हम लोग होने नहीं देगा। प्रैक्टिकली वो तो होना ही है, जब तक उसका अपफ्रंट मनी रिटर्न नहीं करेगा और केस विथड्रॉ नहीं करेगा तब तो होना ही है।
Arunachal Chief Minister Pema Khandu has assured that the mega dam will not come up, but the Farmers Forum is demanding a written confirmation. Officials of the Arunachal Hydropower Department are tight-lipped and maintain a vague position on the status of the proposed projects. C.K. Joshi, Chief Engineer of the department, in a telephonic conversation called the project Just an Idea.
There are different ideas in different point of time by the different people. So once an idea is given by somebody in some time, it may last for some more time, it may fade away a bit early, it may fade away very fast. This all, see, these are very ideas. It's not There is nothing confirmed as on date. It was an idea, it was discussed, and there are some issues. Those issues may compel this idea to be dropped, or this idea may convince those people that the idea is very good, it is good for everyone. So it's a very dynamic type of thing. There is nothing.
Experts warn that such speculation over building dams in Arunachal without any consent of the locals have far-reaching economic and social consequences.
The question that comes into public hearing processes is that, okay, do you want a dam or not? It is not that question. How much money do you want for your land? And that question itself drives the speculation. There has been reports in different parts of Arunachal Pradesh that many people have been buying land in different areas where dams are going to come up and actually making a windfall profit out of it. And in this race between India and China of building big dams in this region in a seismic zone which is very prone to big earthquakes, as we have seen in 1897 and 1950, where the great Tibet earthquakes and the great Assam earthquake happened, that this is a very fragile zone. And both China and India are racing against each other to actually destroy the Himalayas.
Away from Komkar, Yingkiong town has takers for the hydropower project. Many feel that the project will create jobs and offer new opportunities for the people.
दाम तो बनना चाहिए, डेवलपमेंट होगा, कैसे नहीं होगा? हम लोग के यहाँ में तो क्या है, सर्विस में तो कुछ है या नहीं, तो हम लोग का तो सर्विस अपॉर्चुनिटी हमको तो लगता है बनने से ठीक है.
At Khete village too, people are wary of dams. Villagers show us the remains of the first mini hydroelectric plant constructed on the Sipit River in the 90s. It could not withstand the fury of the monsoon rains.
How much very sorry condition में है, इस टाइप से और कंपनी सियांग में दाम बनाएगा तो ये एंटायर आसाम को खत्म हो जाएगा. देखिए आप लोग हमारे नज़र में कि यहाँ एक पीस भी रोड नहीं डाला. कंपनी का ये मोटिव है कि उन लोग जितना सकेगा काम को 2 नंबर करके प्रॉफिट जितना है उतना लेने का सबको में, इसलिए ये प्रोजेक्ट आपका टॉप अप हुआ है, ड्रॉप आउट हुआ है.
The people of this beautiful region are fighting to see their river Siang flowing freely. It's not just the villages and towns along the river. They want the government to see the impact downstream in Assam and even Bangladesh. For the indigenous people of this region, Siang is their mother. That's why they call it Ane Siang. Any harm that comes to her befalls on them. The costs of losing a community or creating an ecological imbalance by damming of rivers needs urgent attention from policymakers. Arunachal Pradesh, with its diverse people and environment, is one such heritage that one cannot afford to lose.